Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we came doodhpathri. I will show you Eid in doodhpathri. See the people, the local people celebrate the Eid in doodhpathri. See the rush of the people and enjoying the Eid. Have a look of doodhpathri and see the rush of the people enjoying the Eid in doodhpathri, leaving aside sadness, headache, every disease, leaving aside and enjoying the doodhpathri's view, beauty of the nature. Very good moment for the person who wants to enjoy in a life. Child enjoying in this part, and today I wanna to enjoy in a paraglider. Okay, thank you for watching the Amrofi videos. Okay, thank you. Sunnah Prophet Muhammad is riding trainer and Salim Jigar, and it is I want to enjoying the Prophet Muhammad Sunnah. May Allah accept this Sunnah and keep following the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad to everybody. Salim Jigar in the beauty of doodhpathri. It is our trainer who trains us, Salim and me. See, from the bottom to the top, Salim Jigar rides the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad horse riding, and it is I who also ride the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad horse riding, and see the beauty of the doodhpathri. It is said it is a view of the, or it is the beauty of the doodhpathri, but it is the nature of the, it is the nature of Almighty Allah who has blessed us this beauty, and we enjoy in this beauty. And it is a paragliding ride. See the person taking the enjoyment of the Almighty Allah's nature. Someone takes the ride, someone takes the photos, someone takes the para riding, gliding, someone doing something else, someone looking the beauty of Almighty Allah's. Just see the how it is gliding. See. Oh, very good. Oh, nice. We are also looking for gliding. Inshallah, today I will do also. Second one is down, taking second one gliding. Okay, thank you for watching the Amrofi but videos. May Allah bless you so much. Okay, thank you. Gliding is gliding only due to the friction of the air. Main purpose is this, and main purpose is this also air's direction. That is why it is gliding at the top of the mountains. But a person has to keep only in mind rope settings. It's setting. It keeps the settings of the rope
किसी के में डालना, मेरा नेट नहीं चला। नंबर बताना भैया।
7006
पैराग्लाइडिंग दिस राइड।
हाँ गूगल पे करने।
7006
यही नंबर हो ना?
हाँ ये वाला
ठीक हो मैं
84195।
हाँ भाई लिख 7006।
This one is pilot. Very good.
हवा में Oh, wait.